What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some more examples regarding squaring square roots. First example I have is root 7 to the power of 2. The answer is root 7 times root 7 will be root 49 equals to 7. Or you can say root 7 to the power of 2 is the same as 7 to the power of half to the power of 2. So 7 to the power of 1 over 2 times 2 is going to be 1. So root 7 to the power of 2 is going to be 7 to the power of 1, or just simply 7. Next example, minus root 15 to the power of 2. Answer is minus 15 times negative root 15. It's going to make it negative times negative positive, so it's going to be positive 15. Next example, we have root 11 to the power of 2. Answer is root 11 times root 11, which will be 11. Next example, root 19 squared. Answer, root 19 times root 19 is going to be 19. Next example, negative root 21 squared. Answer is negative root 21 times negative root 21. Negative times negative is positive. Root 21 times root 21 is going to be just 21. Next example is negative root 3 to the power of 2. Answer is negative root 3 times negative root 3 is going to make it positive 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And also you can go to the playlist area and find out lots of videos regarding square roots and any other topics in mathematics and science.